First, I'll show you how to fix this problem on your Windows computer. This method works for both Windows 10 and Windows 11. Just follow each step carefully and we'll solve the issue together. Start by opening the search bar and typing Services. Click on it to open the Services window. Here we need to locate a service called Software Protection. To find it faster, press the S key on your keyboard. Once you see it, right-click on Software Protection and choose Properties. In the Properties window, change the startup type to Automatic. After that, click the Start button. Once the service starts successfully, click Apply, then click OK. Now close the Services window. Next, open the search bar again and type Task Manager. Open Task Manager, then click on Run New Task. Select the Browse button. Go to this PC, open the C drive, then open the Windows folder. After that, open the System32 folder. Inside this folder, look for cnd.exe. Select it and click Open. Before continuing, make sure to check the box that says Create this task with administrative privileges. This step is very important. Then click OK. The command prompt window will now open. We need to run two commands. First, type the following command and press Enter. sfc/scano. This scan may take around 5 to 10 minutes depending on your computer speed, so wait until it reaches 100%. Once it finishes, type the second command and press Enter. dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Again, wait for the process to complete fully. This can also take several minutes. After both scans are finished, close the command prompt window and restart your computer. In most cases, this should permanently fix the problem.